everybody!
Hey!
This is Becky. She is a UK-based dropshipper. So this section is going to be mostly her talking about the differences in the UK. So I'll start the video off and then she'll just finish, okay? So first off, I want to talk about the tracking number thing.
Yes.
Because I had no idea that was a thing.
Yeah, so the difference in the UK is, well, I'll ask you, so in the US, uploading your tracking numbers on time is something that counts towards.
Yeah, it's like a tracking number is pretty much required.
Yes.
And almost all sources nowadays give you a tracking number after you place an order.
Yeah, so in the UK, it's not standard for sources, or when you purchase something on any online retailer, it's not standard for them to give you a tracking number. So a lot of them do now, but it's not unusual to not receive a tracking number. So customers generally don't, always track their orders because it's not a given that you're going to get a trackable number. So because of that, eBay doesn't require you to upload a tracking number. They strongly recommend that you do, and obviously if somebody opens an I have not received case against you, that's like guaranteed you've won. But it's not required and it doesn't count towards your seller standards. So you can just mark the item as dispatched, and unless the customer tells eBay that it arrived late, it's marked as on time, even if it was actually late.
Whoa!
Yeah, they would have to actively say to eBay this arrived late when they're doing their feedback.
So it's inconvenient for it to the customer has to actually file that it's a late shipment.
Yeah.
And wow, that is crazy.
Otherwise it just gets marked as arrived on time.
So do you get questions asking for tracking numbers?
Only with international orders, because then those customers do expect tracking.
That's so hard for me to fathom because that is probably the most common question I get is when buyer wants it.
Very rarely get that.
Wow, that's
I've
cool.
never had it from a UK customer. They just assume it's on its way, because that's what happens when you order anywhere online. You just kind of assume it's on its way.
Huh. Yeah. That's crazy. So this is one of the differences to dropshipping from the UK. And this isn't selling into the UK. This is if you are a person who's in the UK and you're selling in the UK market, not the US market.
Yeah.
Okay? So in the next video, we're going to talk about some of the other differences.